My stomach started hurting really bad around 12 at night, maybe. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't lay down. It hurt too much.
It's happened to us and to so many of our children. 1 minute, everything's fine. The next, we need to get to the hospital fast.
I was really scared. And then I got blood tests and I got needles and all that kind of stuff. And then when I got an ultrasound, they found what was wrong and they said that I had appendicitis. So maybe half an hour later, I got surgery.
Jordan underwent minimally invasive surgery at Red Deer Regional Hospital. The young gymnast was soon back playing with her sister.
I only stayed in for a night, just to make sure I was okay.
Karen Mann, a former gymnast herself, injured her knee 12 years ago. Karen underwent minimally invasive knee surgery in Red Deer twice.
Once I had the surgery, it was very fast recovery, so I think I went in like first thing in the morning and was out in the early afternoon on both my surgeries.
The surgeon performing minimally invasive surgery enters the body through surprisingly small incisions. It means shorter recovery time, less scarring, and less likelihood of an infection. Doctors often close incisions with a single stitch.
Back to work, back to sport, back to living your own regular life happens more quickly with minimally invasive surgical techniques.
Definitely nice to not have to worry about wearing a skirt to work because you have this hideous scar that covers your whole leg.
The quicker recovery associated with minimally invasive surgery benefits the entire healthcare system because patients are out of the hospital within a day or two.
There's always a shortage of beds, so if my postoperative patients don't need to be in hospital, well, that's an extra bed for someone having a baby or someone having appendicitis.
Minimally invasive surgeries have been performed at Red Deer Regional Hospital for years, but times are changing and so are these procedures. In larger centers, new high-definition equipment is improving these operations and allowing new programs to be offered.
The high definition is just better, sharper, you can see more detail in depth. While it enhances our current programs, it allows expansion for future programs. It allows us to be competitive in a labor market, getting the best physicians.
We learn on the good equipment. So when we're looking for a job, when we're looking to set up practice in a community, that's one of the things to look at.
It hurt more before. It didn't really hurt that much after to me. It was just a small little cut.
Already a Western Canadian gold medalist, Jordan is back working on her gymnastics routines after a very successful surgery.
My goal is to go to the Olympics. That's what I want to do.
And she knows exactly what she's going to tell her little sister if she ever has to go to the hospital.
There's nothing to be afraid of. The doctors and nurses at the hospital were really, really nice and good to me.
And Jordan is thankful for all those Festival of Trees supporters who've also been so good to so many.
I would say thank you, and that they're very caring people.